We're going to take a tour of the new Surveyor 32 RKDS rear kitchen double slide, our second model in our lineup with the bed on the bedroom slide. You can see lots of nice overhead cabinetry, nice kitchen countertop, lots of storage doors and drawers. Come around, freestanding dinette table and 4 chairs standard. Here we have the standard trifold sofa, full entertainment center with an optional fireplace. Come around, standard 2 wall hugger recliners. Let's go up into the bathroom bedroom area. There's a nice large bathroom, nice large medicine cabinet with shelf, large bathroom sink. We've got the large neo-angle shower. You pick up a mirrored wardrobe right in your bathroom with adjustable shelving. Plenty of room for your bathroom necessities. We'll go from the bathroom door into the bedroom. You can see the bedroom slide out. Again, this is our second model with the 60 by 80 residential queen size bed in the slide. Large front mirrored wardrobe, hanging storage with shelves on both sides. Come around to a nice large overhead with a vanity with nice drawer storage. Take just another little tour of the bedroom, and we'll head back into the living area. Come back down the hallway into the living kitchen area, and you can see again, very nice unit. Again, introduction of the 32 rear kitchen double slide Surveyor travel trailer.